Isn't that nice? Nice warm light. Only the switch and dimmer is broken. Yes. So this week we have to leave. End of this week, it is now Monday, but end of this week is April 1st. And then we must go out. So this week we will do the machines on pallets, and they go on transport to Portugal, to Jonathan. Exciting, thrilling. We can do the rest for building the camper with small tools, electric tools and hand tools. It's no problem. And I need a new place. We can go to campings, but I can ask Bert, you know already Bert from the wood. And I can ask him, maybe we can stay there for a while. Because we live in our camper already. Everything is there. So I will go to bed. Oh, look at this. The weather is very, very good. And I see forward to leave the shed. I have enough from this place. It's houses, mice, moths, rats also. You can hear in the night. And I see forward to step in a new period. And that's a good time in the spring. Everything is getting blossoming and nature is getting green. You can see the green leaves and the woods shining. Sometimes you can see also already a little green. And after all, I can say it was a good time to build on the camps in the winter. In the beginning it was cold, but later I bought a nice stove on diesel, and it is a kind of very economic heater. It cost me a lot of money, and but it did its job very well. And the radiation from the heat radiation was more than 3 meters. You hear the beep, and there was the sensor from an oil sensor. I think the oil sensor is broken. The heat was very comfortable, and maybe I bring this heater to Jonathan, that he can enjoy it as well, or I sell it again, I don't know. But now first I will go to Bert. So that was a nice conversations with Bert. Of course it takes a lot of time. There is no place for 2 campers, for 1. But there's also very, very good news, because Anne told me that we are welcome to her home.
She has a driveway that is about 18 meters long, and that's enough space for 2 vans. So I'm very grateful for that, and thank you so much. And you know Anne already. She looked after my garden and make my garden as well. And she can do that, yeah, as no one else. And she told in my garden about love, her opinion about love. And now I see forward to be there. Much more color and much more light, and yes.
Nice. So tomorrow they will pick up the pellets and send it to Portugal. There's an appointment for Robin's bus already for air suspension and new front suspension, little stronger. And after Robin's bus is ready, mine will go. Also the same. On the rear air suspension, and here new suspension, stronger. They fit to each other, and my bus will become a little higher, and I will get later bigger tires. These tires they are for Robin's bus, and the new rims. I will show you. Oh, here in. Look at that. New rims for Robin's bus. I think he's very happy with it.
Very pretty, eh?
It's time you go to the hairdress.
To the hairdresser.
I went, as you can see. So, a lot of things moving now. And yes, it's exciting, of course. Adventure starting.
The wash machine has been sold, and the new owner will pick it up in a moment. It's a good buy because the machine had just its maintenance and is fit with a new chip. So goodbye, it did a very, very good job for us.
So we're moving out. It's April 3. Nice empty here. Here all the tools. Not all the tools. What is less, because we brought a lot of tools to the, we call it, to the kringloop, recycling, and it's again, we call it ontspullen, so that you do away what you don't need anymore, what is not real necessary anymore. I see forward to go to our friend Anne This is the furniture for my workshop I made, and it was very useful, and we can let's stay it here. I need this anymore. I will let it here, maybe Martin can use it. I'm not. There was a lot of pleasure on this, and I will let it here. Yes. This is all empty room in it. Nice, empty. That's rubbish. I will bring it away. Chemical garbage. The last couple of days I did my ceiling. Yeah. And for yesterday I did these two walls. These two for the shower and toilet. It feels very good to sit here now, but I have this separation now. Even when I sit here, and I can't see the walls, but the feeling is so good. It was surprising me that the feeling is so good when I sit here. It's energetic. It's a closer area. It feels so. It feels ghosty. Yes. Yes, that is a lot of progress. Air suspension. Yeah. And that's the cable for 380 volts for the machines.
Swivel chairs. Yeah.
Look at me. It's time for a hairdress.
Again? I've just been to the haircut.
You look like Cat Weasel.
To the dresser like 6 months ago.
Oh yeah. Oh. we're heading up to N, where we can stay a couple of weeks to work on our campus. This is very, very nice. Thank you, N, for that. Appreciate it. It's raining. 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 That looks good with this air suspension. It looks like there's nothing in it. Hello. Wil je op de film? May I film you? What a beauty. She's a little shy. But a beauty.
She's careful.
She's careful.
Yes.
Over you.
Over you.
Ah.
She doesn't know you yet.
Oh yes.
Misty.
Hey Misty. Hey. Misty. Come. Misty.
Nou, ik ga eten hoor.
What a strange guy. And that's right, I'm very strange. Oma. Ik denk dat die velgen wel achter kunt zetten. So we're for the second night now by N here, in this nice area. Yesterday was a very stressful day. I was there in the garage for the air suspension. That's ready. And we can stay here and work on our fence. Robin is ready to go to a friend to help a friend. It's an old lady, an ex-client for me. And it's nice that he do that. And in the afternoon we'll go to a big store, camping store. We call it Oberlink. Look at that. It's such a nice neighborhood. My car, I will sell my car, of course. I don't need it anymore. So we cleaned up the garage already a little and pushed all the stuff in it. Greetings to nice flowers.
Nice, eh?
Yeah. So all our stuff in here, much less than in the adventure, in the shed. Little wood. This is for our outside tables I prepared already. I did electricity so that we can see how many electricity we will use. I put there the number because I to pay my own electricity, but I use. And beautiful garden. And they smell so good. I feel already less stress. Today will be a relaxed day. The weather is awesome. They told us it can be 25 degrees today. Nice. That was by cleaning up the burden and the shed from Anne, and she made this cradle for her first child, so that's more than 40 years ago, and she decided to put it here below the apple tree. Looks good, new life. This was a long video and I like it. I hope you like it as well. So thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time very soon.